Christians that are in North, there are Christians that are living in North. They will not examine them.
Ha! Examine Muslim peoples in the North. You see this man calling evangelist Ebube Joseph. You are not preaching for peace. You are not preaching for progress. You are not preaching for unity. I want to advise federal government to quickly arrest this man because he is trying to destroy Nigeria.
The only thing I will tell you, go to your brother go and meet your brother who is Jonathan. Go to Jonathan, who is a Christian. Go and meet him. He will tell you what he passed through. So if
please, Evangelist Ebube, if you want to advertise your candidate, don't you ever insult Muslim people because we are peaceful people. We are friendly. So we don't want anything violence.
When President Goodluck Jonathan was the president of Nigeria, you know that this man is a bias. But you see how they fight this man. Even there was a time Goodluck Jonathan wanted to buy weapons to fight against this Boko Haram. You know how they are fighting against him? So that this man will not fight against this Boko Haram in Nigeria. I want all the Christians to listen to me right now. Because Satan is...
So we still warn you for your negative response about Muslim people, Mr. Man. Just because of religion sentiments. Boko Haram, they are not selected. They born Muslim, they born Christian, including pagan. They kill Muslim, they kill Christian, including pagan. So stop telling us this rubbish.
Even the
rashin adalci irin nashi ba yana maganan Deborah ya kuka yi da maganan Fatima yanzu nan after wannan maganan nashi za ka gani yana raising maganan Inan Dukanu ka tabbatar da cewa wayannan yan biya fara so suke su lalata kasan nan gabaki daya sun zo da wani tsari amma da yake akwai kidahumai masu bi ka duba comment na kaga masu supporting din shi ba. Some of the Christian wasu sun supporting din shi amma wasu bu supporting din shi ba ga abin da suke faɗa. Kun ga na saman nan sunanta Blessing. Kun ji me ta faɗa ta ce wannan kasan addu'a yake nema. Wani kuma ya ce is no religion bro. Ga sunan dai wayanda suka ce su ba su yadda da wannan maganar nashi ba kwata-kwata. To in addition wani gefe kuma wannan maganar da na maganar Deborah ga wani can ya mai magana ya ce mishi ya bai mentioning din Fatima ba sai wani daga cikin su sai ya mishi comment ya reply mai cewa wai waiting they worry you to rayukan ku ne rai ran wasu ba rai bane biya faran kenan tsinannun kenan
can use anybody want to use Christian ways so all the Christians in Nigeria we all need to pray for Nnamdi
ai wannan aya please zai tsare Allah ya riga
we all you know happen listen